How to keep your Threads profile private. If you want to keep your Threads profile private, then follow these steps. Open up Threads application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Tap on the human icon at the bottom right hand corner, and then from your profile page, tap on Edit Profile. On the fourth option, you'll be able to see Private Profile button. Tap on the toggle button to enable the private mode and tap on Done at the top right. In the pop-up, to switch your account to private so that only approved followers will be able to see your content, tap on OK, and then you have successfully kept your Threads profile private. Pretty easy, isn't it? Now your private profile will be shown as a locked profile. Now whenever you visit your profile, you'll be able to see a lock icon at the top left. That is how you can easily set or keep your Threads profile private. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back with more of these quick videos like this. Thank you for watching.